See the circle patterns. Number 10. I went to a farm one day. I heard 10 hens say, cluck cluck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Trace over the dotted number with your finger or crayon. Say 10 aloud. Letter O. Orange. Ostrich. Ox. Octopus. Onion. Owl. She is a teacher. Teacher teaches us and educates us. We must respect our teachers. Letter Q. Quarter. Quilt. Quiz. Queen. Take orange and brown colored craft paper and cut them into very small pieces and paste them according to the shape of the pumpkin. Color the stem of the pumpkin in green. Incy Wincy Spider.
Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. So Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again.
Hello, I am a doctor. Doctor gives us medicine. Stethoscope. Thermometer. Injection. I am a pattern. He is a policeman. Police. Policeman protects us. Police catching thief. Police helping to prevent traffic.